How to install an HP printer in macOS using a USB connection. You can install your HP printer in macOS using the printer USB cable and the HP Smart app. Make sure an open USB port is available on your Mac. On your Mac, open the browser and go to 123.hp.com. Enter the name of your printer model and click Next. Click Install HP Smart to download the HP Smart app from the Mac App Store. Open the HP Smart app and follow the guided instructions on the screen to set up your printer. If the setup does not automatically begin, click the plus sign to add your printer. Once printer setup is complete, you can start printing from your Mac. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.